Hi, I'm Mike with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be discussing a computer that we recently did a power supply upgrade and a video card upgrade for. So he originally had, I want to say, a 6 series graphics card, and it was a 650 watt power supply. So he saved up enough money and decided to get the Founders Edition of the 1070, but the 650 watt won't quite power that with everything else that he has inside the machine as well. So we upgraded him to an 850 watt power supply as well. So now he can game, do video rendering, stream, do whatever he really wants to with his machine now, and it will fly through everything. It will be a great machine now. So if you want to upgrade video card, upgrade power supply, upgrade processor, really do anything with a gaming machine, just call us. We can give you advice and help you out with that. 281-647-9977. Thank you.